So welcome back to our YouTube channel, Jerodix TV, and for today's video, I'm so excited again to react another requested Manipur song. Yes, a Manipur song request by HP, and this Manipur song with the title of Lambi. Alright, so I don't know what is the meaning of Lambi, guys. So if you know the meaning of these words Lambi, just comment down below on my comment section so that we will know what is the meaning of Lambi. So the composer and the performer of this video, guys, is Solace here, and the owner and uploader of this video is Studio Dominance. So, thank you so much, Studio Dominance. Thank you guys for allowing me to react this kind of Manipur song requested by our viewers, HP. As well as I can promote your channel and your music. So, before we start, make sure guys that you are subscribing my channel and don't forget to hit my bell for you to be updated always on my next reaction video. So without further ado guys, let's get now and watch the video. Pamel. Join me guys until the end of this video. Wow! Did you hear that one? I love the intro. Lambi! Solace. What kind of intro, guys? Sounds of a guitar. Oh, wow.
From Kandra Lambi
Wow.
Go on the radio yesterday.
Did you hear the voice of this guy? Woo, perfect guys. I love it. Very sweet. So sweet. Love it, I love it. Wow. love to hear that one. Wow. I like this band. Solace here.
Iramata supiramu Muramata suhairamu Dana Layram laydi tanto Amambu Lambi asida
Wow. That was so cool, guys. Solace here. This is my first time to react your video. Wow, this is so absolutely amazing music, a Manipur song, guys. Wow, thank you so much, Solace here, for your performance for today. Wow, what can you say about this Manipur song, guys? It is so perfect for me, guys. So please give this a lot of likes, guys, so that we can support this kind of music, guys. Please share also to your families and your relatives, friends. Wow. I'm so happy to hear this music, guys. This is my first time, guys, to react your music, guys. Solace her. Wow. If I have time to react another video of Solace hair, yes, guys, I will do it for you, even if you not request. Yes, I'm going to search another video of this band, because I love it. I love their voice. Yes, the sounds of their band, the rhythm of this band, so cool for me, and it's a very perfect for me today to hear your yes, your music, guys. So before we end this video, I just want to thank Studio Dominance for allowing me to react your video. And for those new to my channel, please subscribe now to my channel, and don't forget to hit my bell for you to be updated always on my next reaction video. I hope you enjoy my reaction of video for today's, guys, and thank you so much for having me here until the end of this video. Thank you so much for my viewers and subscribers there, especially to the Northeast India and Philippines. Thank you so much, guys. Until the next reaction of videos, see you there. I love you all, and God bless you, guys. Bye.